Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can download mini M-PESA statement. So technically, mini statement in M-PESA just give you a summary of transaction which you have done. So that is basically close to the 5 last transaction which you have made. So it can be help you to verify if you have made a payment which had maybe an M-PESA an M-PESA message delay. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to hit your M-PESA. Then head to where we have my account, then come to where we have mini statement. Then what you're supposed to do, just enter your PIN and then click OK, and then come here and request it. So immediately you request it, the statement will be generated, and it is here. So you can see close to 5 transactions which I have already made recently. So the transactions are here, as you can see. So this is how we can be able to get our mini M-PESA statement and get a summary statistics of the M-PESA transaction which you have made, of the last M-PESA transaction which you have made. In case maybe you made a transaction and experienced an M-PESA message delay, this is how you usually do to get the mini statement. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future rolling content like this. Thank you and God bless you.